All right, tip number 2 for using Twitter. This is a tool called Hootsuite, and you simply can go to hootsuite.com and set up an account. You'll link that account to your Twitter account, and you'll notice that you can actually have multiple Twitter accounts attached to this. So, for example, this is one that I used last year for a conference that I was running the back channel for, and we set up a hashtag NEISAC13 for that particular year, and I was able then to tweet out under that account and receive, so I could have split personalities, so to speak. If I wanted to write a message, I could go ahead and write a message right here. Testing from Hootsuite. If I can spell tonight, and I'll go ahead and put our hashtag. There we go. And I'll send that now. And so you can kind of see, oh, and it's telling me I need to at least select somebody. I always forget that when I have multiple personalities here. And I'll go ahead and send that, and that'll go out. Now you'll notice that it shows I have a sent tweets here. It also showed up in my home feed, so it shows anything that I tweet out as well there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a stream to this, and I'm going to do a search. In this case, I'm going to do a search. I'll go ahead and select my personality. 597, and we'll add that stream. And you'll notice that it immediately pulls that stream up. I can go ahead and reorder these simply by clicking and dragging these around. So this is a really powerful tool for working with Twitter. And you'll notice that when you get to the video that of the presentation that I did where I tell the story of the first 2 weeks following the elections in Iran back in 2009, and the fallout from that, a lot of what I did was to use tools like Hootsuite, and another one was TweetDeck, to set up a series of tweets that I can follow multiple hashtags at once, and I was able to then to collect all kinds of data. I've also used this more recently to pull in events around the world in other languages. The earthquake in Japan, earthquakes in South America, did not know what earthquake was. Put in terremoto, find out that that's what it is. I put in the hashtag terremoto, and I end up with all kinds of tweets that are coming in Spanish, which I can then translate back into English using various tools as well. And so it's a really powerful tool that you can use, and I really encourage you to play around with this. If you're using Twitter, once you get past the early stage, I encourage you to kind of maybe stick with the Twitter tool initially, but quickly move into these other areas. This is where you really can find the power of using Twitter. So there you go. This is a real quick example of how you would use Hootsuite, and there you go.